Oh my goodness.
Remind me of Charlie and the
I
Chocolate
was
Factory
gonna say
vibes.
that. I was gonna say the same thing.
All gold.
I got the
All
golden
gold.
thing.
Everything.
It's not a game.
What's up? What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing?
We're back.
We're back
with another video. It's been a while, but we are back.
Yeah, it's been like a week or two. Yeah, there's a lot going on, so we're trying to get videos.
We made another video before, and it kind of fumbled because the audio was off. Couldn't hear anything.
Yeah.
So we have mics. Hopefully this works.
Yeah.
You guys see the thumbnail. You know what the video is going to be about. I'm excited. We're trying the viral Dubai chocolate.
Apparently everybody's saying it's good, but I don't know. We'll see. I don't like pistachios.
And TikTok, sometimes the craze on TikTok is like, oh my god, try this, and people go crazy over it. And sometimes it's like, it was just a hype. So we're gonna see. It's not from Dubai, but where is it made from? Made in Turkey. The ingredients are definitely in Turkey. I'm not sure what language that is, but it's hard to read. It says
Turkish.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, it's Turkish. It's made with milk chocolate and what's that word?
Pistachio cream.
And
Kadayif.
Kadayif.
One of those.
Something.
I don't know.
Language. But yeah,
Try
we're gonna try it. It's gonna be so good. Look at that. It wasn't $30 either. Sometimes people buy this for $30-something, or I don't know. $15. You can get it at a lot of local stores, so don't overspend. And yeah, let's try it out. Oh my goodness.
Remind me of Charlie and the Chocolate
I was
Factory
gonna say that. I was gonna say the same thing.
All gold.
I got the
All
golden
gold.
thing.
Everything.
It's really pretty. No, honestly, I love the wrapping. 10 out of 10 for the wrapping. It looks luxurious. Like Dubai. Dubai is very luxurious already as is.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna see.
I'm excited. And it's heavy. It's got some weight to it. Carry this.
Yeah.
It's like a gold bar.
You can slap somebody with this. You probably knock somebody out.
It feels thick. It feels thick. So let's see. Ooh. I'm gonna be gentle.
Oh.
Ooh.
It's kind of melty.
I know, it's so hot today. Hold on. Let's see. I don't want to break either. 5 minutes later. Okay, it's got the drizzle. Looking good, looking good. Let's take off a whole chunk.
Ew.
It broke off easily.
Nah. You try that one.
You want to check out?
Nah, we're going to just take
the same one?
Yeah, I'm going to do the same one as you.
All right. Gonna be good. All right.
All right.
Cheers.
See.
Tastes like a Kit Kat.
Interesting.
I can't really taste the pistachio.
I
don't taste any pistachio.
Not bad.
I can finish this whole bar.
All about a whole bar.
It's really thick. Maybe half. But very good. Like a Kit Kat kind of, right?
Okay. Pretty good.
Honestly, I can't taste the pistachio. And there's different brands. I don't know if it's this brand that is not as pistachio flavored, but it tastes like a Kit Kat to me. Even the texture. Is it worth $15? No.
$15.
It's because the name Dubai is on it.
Yeah.
But I had to try it. I did. Those fireworks.
No.
Oh. We have 3 more pieces. And I kind of want another one already. But yeah, I'm glad I gotta try it.
What's up, you guys? So I can taste the pistachios. It's the aftertaste, to me, I don't know, but
I know what you mean.
Yeah,
it's like, it's not bad.
It's not bad, but I
was
can taste the
also
pistachios. I don't really care for
it
pistachios.
was kind of melted too, though. I mean,
And it was
a little
melted.
melted.
So we also gonna come back.
Yeah, let's put it in the fridge and then try it again, and we'll give you guys another response. It might be better. It might be better frozen.
Hey, it might be better frozen. We'll,
Yeah.
we'll see.
We're gonna test it out. Experiment time. So be back. See you in a little bit.
See.
You want to say hello? You guys say hi, Copper Fam? Huh? I'm almost 8 months. Well, yeah, kind of. You have 2 weeks. You're halfway there. You're 7 months. 7.5 months. With your hiccups. Can you show them? Show them no. No. You can clap your hands. Yes. Say no. No. Yay. All right. We have the chocolate and it is frozen. You want to try it first?
Yeah. All right.
It's a moment of truth.
Not bad. Tastes the same.
Mm.
I mean, of course, even if it's frozen or melted, but it all depends on the aftertaste, though. We'll find out in a minute.
Well, wait, 1 more minute. Okay.
We'll wait.
Let me try mine. No, it still smells like chocolate. I like it better frozen.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, tastes the same.
You don't taste those flaky. What is it called? Picadillo? I don't know what they're called. What it is?
Mhm.
But the flaky pistachio thing. You don't taste the flakiness because it's all frozen.
Okay.
But better frozen.
What would you rate it as? 1 to 10. 1 out of 10.
I mean, it's like 7 out of 10. It's chocolate.
Okay.
The price is what gets me. It's like, oof, it's overpriced.
I'll give mine a 5.
Mhm.
I'll
Why?
give mine a 5.
Why a 5?
Because I don't like pistachios. But I would say it is pretty, tasty. Well, if you like this video, please comment, please subscribe, all that. And we'll be back with more videos. And hopefully it doesn't take long this time.
Yeah, no,
but
we'll come back
we'll try our best.
Yeah.
So
next week. Stay tuned.
stay tuned.
All right, guys.
See ya.
Bye.